So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to import files. So let's say you're a gamer, you want to import your files. We're going to go here to add media. We're going to go to media, and then we're going to go to your folder. So in this case, I have my folder in my downloads, and I have the Adobe Rush, and I have the course, and I have the clip. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click add, and I'm going to import that file, and I have this clip that I'm going to use so I can go ahead and edit. So I can see, and I can see all the video, and I can click play so I can hear it. So so let's say I'm a gamer, and in this project, in this course, I'm gonna edit this video, and I'm gonna go from editing to the final stage, which is gonna be uploading the video to YouTube. So that is how to import files to your project timeline. I will see you in the next one.